Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow with Paul and Nick.
Hi guys, it's great to have you here again. Today, we're learning how to ask for help politely and how to offer help naturally.
Exactly, because being polite in English is super important. It makes conversations smoother and helps you sound confident and friendly.
Yes, whether you're traveling, shopping, or even at work, knowing how to ask for help the right way can change everything.
So, let's dive in. We'll explore real-life situations, useful phrases, and a few funny examples too.
Paul, can we start with the basics? What's the most common polite way to ask for help?
Good question. You can say, "Could you help me, please? Can you give me a hand?" Or even, "Would you mind helping me?"
Oh, would you mind helping me? Sounds really polite.
Exactly. It's a soft, kind way to ask for help. And when someone agrees, you can reply, "Thank you so much."
Can we try a mini role play?
Of course.
Okay, pretending. Excuse me, could you help me carry this box?
Sure, no problem. Where should I put it?
Right over there, thank you.
You're welcome. See? Short, natural, polite.
So easy. But what if I want to sound more casual?
Then you could say something like, "Hey, can you help me out for a second?" Or, "Do you mind giving me a hand?"
Got it. So could and would sound more polite, and can or do you sound more casual?
Exactly right.
Now, what about offering help to someone?
That's one of my favorite parts. You can say, "Can I help you?" Or, "Would you like some help?" Or, "Do you need a hand?"
Do you need a hand? I love that one. It sounds friendly.
Yes, and native speakers use it all the time. For example, "You look busy. Do you need a hand?"
Nice. That sounds caring.
It is, and when you offer help, remember to use a warm tone of voice. It's not just about words, your attitude matters too.
So it's about being polite with your heart, not just your grammar.
Exactly. Well said, Nick.
Okay, let's practice a few short dialogues.
Sure. Scenario 1, at the airport.
Excuse me, could you help me find the boarding gate?
Of course, it's just down the hall on your left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great flight. Scenario 2, at the supermarket.
Hi, could you help me find the sugar?
Sure thing. It's on aisle 5, right next to the coffee.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem.
Scenario 3, offering help.
Hey, Nick, you look tired. Do you want me to grab you some water?
Oh, that's so nice of you. Yes, please.
Come in right up.
That's what friends and polite English are for.
Quick cultural tip. In English-speaking countries, saying please and thank you is not optional. It's part of polite communication.
Yes, and tone matters too. A friendly smile can make a huge difference.
Also, if someone helps you, it's nice to say something extra, like, "That was really kind of you," or "I appreciate it. You've been a big help."
So sweet. I'll use that more often. Okay, quick test, Paul.
Oh no, here we go again.
How would you say help me politely if you were stuck in an elevator?
I'd say, "Excuse me, could someone please help me get out of here?"
Perfect. Calm and polite, even in panic mode.
That's right. Good English, good manners, good life.
So today we learned how to ask for help and how to offer it politely in real natural English.
Exactly. Remember, politeness opens doors, sometimes literally.
Keep practicing these expressions and soon they'll become natural for you.
And don't forget, the secret to progress is constancy.
Yes, practice a little every day. Subscribe and like for more fun English lessons every week.